All right, guys, good afternoon and welcome to my channel. My name is Sam. Right, so what's going on with you guys? Hope you are doing well. Okay, so in today's analysis, I want to combine two coins based on request. Okay, so I want to do polka dots, and beg your pardon, and Aave, polka dot and Aave. So let's start with this first one, USD. All right, so this is a beautiful coin that I've been doing well since August last year. Okay, since August last year, I think I take notice of this coin somewhere here, and then we started looking at it to see what actually was happening. So then some of us got in somewhere here, and then we ride it. So, but that move is over. Okay, so the most important thing that everybody should be focusing on is what is going on here, what is happening here. Okay, because if you can interpret what happened here, you remember, you will get this clear. You see, if I should teach you something in this video, that every market has time, and this is price. Let me use P as price. Okay, so time and price. Now, if I should ask you which one is more important here, you say price. Yeah, that's where you make money. Okay, everybody want to make money. That's good. But the most important thing here is the time. Okay, because if you can time the movement properly, then you know when the price will spike. If you can time the movement properly, you know when the price will spike. If you can time the movement properly, you know when the price will spike. So that's why markets spend 80% of their, or 80% in time axis, and that is kind of not 80%, sorry, 80% consolidating and 20% making an impulse. 80% consolidating and 20% making impulse. All right. So markets spend more time here. All right. So in this axis, you can call it XY axis. So whatever that is happening here, that's where the market spend more time here. And this is where the transaction occurs. The transaction for this, for this bull run happened here. The transaction for this happened here. Okay? And the next movement that will be coming, that is what is showing us here. Okay, but now when the transaction is taking place, there's always a bargain in the market. Who will dominate? That's what we call the bull and the bears. They are kind of who will dominate. So let's dive in to see what actually is going on here. Okay, so I just want you to understand the market movement that way. That is a transaction taking on in the market. So looking at this in the daily chart, you see that the market is moving in a range, and this range is, to me, is undecided. Why? It's making, let me go to 4 hours, my favorite time frame for analysis. You see, it makes this high. We did not break the previous high. That's a point to be noted. And it makes this low. We did not break the previous low. That's another point that should be noted. Now, in that regards, I can categorically tell you that this movement, this transaction is not complete yet. It's not complete yet, okay? So, two things that can happen now is whereby this decide to close below this, and there we go. It just goes down. Okay, it goes down. But going down is just to complete this structure, whereby the bull can take over from there and ride the market up. Okay, but I believe this does still have a lot of potential of going up. Yeah, it has a lot of potential. But I'm looking at it in 4-hour charts, what the market is telling us. You see, all what I do in this crypto space is not based on what I heard. It's not based on what other tells me. It's only based on what I see. I make my analysis and I take actions based on what I see and understand. There are sometimes you look at a chart, you might be seeing something, but it's not clear. So you wait. That's why I said almost on my video that waiting or patience is a trading or investing strategy. It's not every time you jump in and out. You need to learn how to wait. You need to learn how to wait. There's a book I decided to like. Let me just recommend it to you guys. Is How I Made 2 Million in Stock by one Davin. Okay, so I think that's a book should be in every traders or investors bookshelf. All right, but anyway, that's by the way. So the second thing that might happen here is whereby this decide to push up, and break this. Okay, might decide to go higher than this, making another wave here, then come down before it goes up. Okay, whereby this becomes. So there are many varieties on how this can be formed, many ways in which this can be formed. So what we are going to do now is to wait. I know most guys wouldn't want to hear about that. Yeah, that's true. I just need to wait for the pattern to be complete. Okay, all right. So I just need to wait. So wait and see. Let's see which side will dominate. Now, what am I looking for? Now, if you should learn something here, the only thing I'm looking for now is when this, because this is the previous high and this is the lowest previous low now. So we are waiting for either this level to be cleared or this level to be cleared. Okay, in that at least we will now gain some balance to know where the market is heading to and to see actually who is dominating in this transaction. Trading is a very, very interesting journey, especially if you understand this in this way, that market moves in waves and start making the wave, and as it rises the wave, it forms pattern. All right, so if you're a trader, just hold on. You can see it's just clearing the previous high here, but it's all we can see here is just this. Okay, so let's watch out and see what might happen. If I decide to push up, who cares? Sure, who cares? Who cares? Who cares? You see, remember, anything he's doing here will be in relation to what he has done. Okay, so don't isolate whatever he's doing here to all these ones. So we are interpreting whatever we're doing here in relation to this and in relation to this and the first one. So, and then we can now make our conclusion on the direction of the next move. All right, so that's just about this. So let's take a look at the other one, which I call the Aave USD. Okay, so I will start from let's start from daily, so we can see the market is just always advancing. Okay, it's advancing. Then we come to 4 hours. So what do you see? In 4 hours, what we see here, let me use. Okay, so it will correct itself, and this correction might be a bit aggressive, because of how the market has been here. And I believe here there should be a very big divergence here. There should be a very big divergence here because this forms like a channel. And if that's the case, what I wish to expect is to expect a very sharp pullback before the next. So let's take it. Okay, you can see clearly there is a lot of divergence here. Yeah, as I told you, there's a lot of divergence taking place. There's a lot of divergence taking place in almost all this. So what are we expecting here? Is there will be a very sharp drop, okay, sharp sell-off, anyhow you want to put it. It's the same thing. Okay. So guys, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. Tell your friends about this channel because I'm here for you guys. This is not about me. I'm just here to help you. I'm here to show you the easiest way, the most accurate way of interpreting a chart. Okay, we don't trade on emotion. No, we trade based on what we see. No matter what other person is telling you, this is exactly what the market is telling you. And who do you listen to? The boss or your fellow colleagues? The boss. The boss is one that has a say. Market is the boss here. So we listen to boss. And this is what the boss is telling us. Okay? There are some few times we are wrong, but in most cases, over 80% right. Because the boss never lies. He tells you, hey man, this is my time. I have a meeting by 5, and that's it. So what is the boss telling us here? I'm sold off. I'm kind of, sorry, I'm not in the positives, the other side, that there's no more momentum in me. I'm tired of going up. I'm tired of going up. I need a rest. I need a rest, kind of. So the market will take a deep breath, drops, and that's not a beginning of downtrend. Don't get me wrong. That's not the beginning of downtrend. So you're gonna drop, and after this drop, they will now watch for the next whatever that will form here. It will now consolidate small. Tell us the next wave, either up or down, based on the pattern it will form here. But now expect this sharp drop on Aave. All right, guys, I think this is a very nice one. So kindly do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, help us build this community. And what I'm giving to any one of you is, if you're a trader, forex trader, cryptocurrency, which is my main trading, stock, just let me know about that particular coin you want to invest or buy. I will give you a sense of direction based on wave theory, Elliott wave analysis. So thank you for your time, and kindly click on that subscription bell. Thank you.